Today we will be jump-starting this Lexus RX 450 hybrid with a flat battery. Starting off, we'll need to remove this little cover on the engine compartment. It's held in place by some plastic clips. In order to remove them, you'll need a flathead screwdriver. Simply insert it into the plastic clip and pull up. This will release the centerpiece of the plastic clip and allow you to remove it. Once all are removed, you can simply lift up on the plastic cover. You'll notice that there's a little fuse box hidden beneath the plastic cover. Simply open up that fuse box. You will then find a red plus sign, which indicates the positive connective terminal for the battery. That will be your positive boosting point. For the negative boosting point, you can earth anywhere to the vehicle. As you can see, before we connect our booster pack, we will have no power at all. We are unable to lock or unlock the vehicle. But once we turn on our booster pack and have it connected to the terminal points, you will see that there is now power being supplied through the vehicle.